Engage your audience with live polling with PollQR. Here's a free-form word cloud question. Let's say you want your class to answer, what's your decision-making style? It takes seconds to create a poll. As your audience submits answers, they're displayed on screen. It's a great way to get your audience engaged and out of their shell.
Look, there's my answer.
I said decisive.
The bigger the writing, the more people voted that way. People love seeing their responses on screen and comparing them to others. Choose your visualization. Bump up the font for readers in the back. This live poll took just seconds to create. Pause voting at any time. Download results via your dashboard. PollQR will even make a PowerPoint slide for you. Simply drag the slide that PollQR creates into your own slide deck. PollQR supports many different question types and activities. You can engage your audience with a live poll, run a town hall-style Q&A session, conduct surveys at your place of business, or simply generate QR codes. For live polls, question types include multiple choice, yes, no, ratings, word cloud, option ranking, text input, like for gathering emails, top picks voting, even photo contests. Let's try it out by creating a live poll to ask students how they'd rate this class. Just pick your poll's settings and create.
You'll get a QR code, and you can also set a channel handle for students with laptops.
As votes come in, they're displayed on screen. Visit PollQR.com to get started free.